Hi, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing another plan with me in my mini happy planner. And as you can see, I have went back down to the mini rings. I was using the expander rings, but I don't know, it was just too much going on trying to get it in and out of my purse. So I've cleaned it out a little bit. Like, my dividers are still in there, but I cleaned it out a lot. And yeah, I cleaned it out and I went back to the mini rings. And this is my last week's. If you kind of want to see, I did a plan with me for this week, but I do before the pen, because I normally record it, and then on either Sunday night or Monday morning I will write out my plans for the week. And for this week I will be using basically the same thing I did last week. This is the Garden Party kit. It's made to use with the mini insert that I use. Well, what's left of it, you can see a lot of it is used up already. And my alphas, which are in my shop, I use these on just about every project. And I probably need to, I don't know, get a new set. Yeah, there was also a black one, but the black one, I don't know, it's either missing or it fell behind my desk or something. And I'm still using the Shine Bright kit for this month. For the rest of July, I'm going to try and see like if I can plan an entire month with this kit. So let's get started. Alright, let's get started with this plan with me. And the next color is the green one, but I don't want to use that. I am going to skip. I think I want to use the gray insert this week. And there is a link, I'll put the link in the description box. You can download and print these inserts for free. And I did get a few requests if I can print and mail them out. That is coming soon. I'm just looking for a paper that is thick enough, because when I plan, like, I get that bleed through, and I use permanent markers, but as soon as I get a paper where it's not as much bleed through and it's still thin enough to use as planner paper, I will list those in the shop. Alright, I pulled out those alphas, but I think I am going to give them a break this week and attempt to write the date this week. And if this doesn't work out, I can always put a sticker on top. always like to add a little something extra to my planner this week, and I will be doing like just a little insert. Just a little insert to write my to-do list on. And basically I'm going to decorate the front of it, and then on the back I can add sticky notes and make extra lists for the week. And I'm just lining it up to see, make sure it matches with the holes. And I wanted it to sit like by that box, but let me see. I guess the way the holes sit, won't sit exactly.